In this video, I'm going to teach you how to refund bundles on Roblox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Refunding items on Roblox is possible. However, it isn't something that you can do by just going over to your inventory or your avatar page, clicking on the item, and then issuing the refund here. You will have to send a message to the support in order to get this done. So, regardless of which item you have purchased, either a bundle, an individual item, in experience, if it was a website, avatar, and so on, you will be able to ask for the refund. To do this, go to roblox.com/support. So on a web browser, on your computer or your phone, visit www.roblox.com/support. Now, when you arrive at this page, you will have to input a bunch of contact information, such as your username, first name, and then the most important one, the email address. The email address is important because this is how they are going to talk back to you after you send them the support request. Confirm the email address, and now on the issue details, choose the platform which you play on mostly. It doesn't really matter if you play on multiple, just choose one of them according to your preferences. And then under type of help category, you will usually have to select purchases using Robux, but you can also choose something else like billing and payments and so on. But for most people, if you've purchased a bundle using Robux and you would like to get that refunded, this is going to be the option. Then website item or inexperienced item, and then describe the issue. Then in here you can specify which bundle you acquired and that you would like to request a refund. They will be able to help you and tell you if it is possible or not to issue the refund back containing your Robux or your money. So after it is done, they will automatically issue it to you. I hope I was able to help you. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if this video was of any help, please consider subscribing. Your subscription means a lot. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.